Below is a case-wise concise summary of all the judgments you listed, drafted in a CA-ready professional format, suitable for study notes, presentations, newsletters, or client advisories. Case-wise summary of income tax judgments. 176. Iqbal Ali Javi versus Ito, Itat Hyderabad, 2025. Issue: Competent Authority US 151, 2, Postola. Held: Approval by wrong authority invalid. Result: Reopening quashed. 177. Hemkund Foundations versus PCIT, Central 1, New Delhi, Itat Pune 2025. Issue: Cancellation of registration US 12 UB on ground of non-genuine charitable activities. Held: PCIT lacked jurisdiction. Specified violation introduced WEFA 2022 से 23 cannot be applied to As 2019 से 20 to 2021 से 22. Ratio: Retrospective application of Sec 12 UB 4 is invalid. Result: Cancellation quashed. Assessee allowed. 178. Shri Parsnath Alloys PVT Limited versus Asset Merit Itat Delhi 2025. Issue: Addition for undisclosed sales investment based solely on excise debt info. Held: AO made no independent inquiry. Sestat had already quashed excise demand. Ratio: Addition cannot survive merely on third-party information. Result: Addition deleted. Appeal allowed. 179. Harikishan Agrawal versus Asset Central Circle 1, Raipur, Itat Raipur 2025. Issue: Cash gold seized during search treated as unexplained income. Held: Department must conduct detailed inquiry in serious interception cases. Fraud vitiates everything. Result: Matter restored. Appeal allowed for statistical purposes. 180. Kothari Feeds LLP versus Adit, CPC Bangalore, Itat Pune 2025. Issue: Denial of exemption US 10, 2A, to LLP partner. Held: LLP can be partner. Income already taxed in firm's hands. Ratio: Share of profit exempt irrespective of partner's legal form. Result: Exemption allowed. 181. DCIT versus NKG Infrastructure Ltd, Itat Delhi 2025. Issue: Reopening beyond 4 years. Additions based on third-party statements. Held: No failure to disclose material facts. No opportunity provided. Result: Reassessment quashed. 182. SEG Automotive India PVT Limited versus DCIT, Itat Bangalore 2025. Issue: GST VAT refund treated as income. CPC adjustment US 133, 1. Held: CPC adjustment valid under Sec. 133, 1, A, 4. Factual issue remanded to AO. Result: Appeal allowed for statistical purposes. 183. Universal Cables Limited versus Asset, Itat Kolkata 2025. Issue: Allowability of leave encashment paid after earlier disallowance. Held: Deductible on payment basis US 43B, F. Goets restriction not applicable to appellate authority. Result: Deduction allowed. 184. Krishi Rasayan Exports PVT Limited versus Asset, Calcutta HC 2025. Issue: Validity of notice US 148 issued post-search limitation. Held: Prima facie jurisdictional issue exists. Result: Notice stayed pending writ. 185. CIT, E, Mumbai versus Kuchi Sarvodaya Nagar, Bombay HC 2025. Issue: Charitable versus business activity under Sec 2, 15. Held: Findings purely factual. No substantial question of law. Result: Revenue appeal dismissed. 186. Vibgya Vinimay PVT Limited versus NFSC, Bombay HC 2025. Issue: SCN granted only 1 day to respond. Held: Violation of natural justice. Result: Assessment set aside, matter remanded. 187. Manoj Kiro Kumar Lulla versus Ito, Madras HC 2025. Issue: Assessment without granting reasonable opportunity. Held: Genuine reason for extension ignored. Result: Order quashed. Fresh hearing directed. 188. P. Srinivasa Gaud versus Ito, Telangana H 2025. Issue: Unexplained bank deposits, repeated non-compliance. Held: 8 adjournments already granted. No perversity. Result: Addition upheld. 189. Ito versus Janta Automobiles, Itat Pune 2025. Issue: Cash deposits during demonetization. Held: No evidence of sales receipts. CIT, A. Earned in treating 80% as explained. Result: AO's addition restored. 190. SMT. Amish Shreyas Shah versus Ito, Itat Mumbai 2025. Issue: Bogus LTCG US 68. Held: Documentary evidences proved genuineness. Result: Addition deleted. 191. Anil Vasantarav Deshpande versus NFSC, Itat Panji 2025. Issue. Denial of TDS credit. Held. Additional evidence crucial. Assessee should not suffer. Result. Matter remanded. Appeal allowed for statistical purposes. 192. Kishan Ram Vishnoi vs. Ito. Itat Indore 2025. Issue. Estimation in bogus purchases. Held. GP already declared must be reduced to avoid double taxation. Result. AO directed to give credit. 193. PCIT Central 1 Kolkata vs. Gujarat NRE Coke Ltd. SC 2025. Issue. Condonation of delay of 751 days. Held. No satisfactory explanation. Result. SLP dismissed. 194. Mukesh Kumar Bhavalal Jan vs. AO. Itat Mumbai 25. Issue. Reopening beyond limitation. Held. Supreme Court ruling in Rajiv Bansal applicable. Result. Reopening quashed. 195. Skindler India PVT. Limited vs. DCIT. Itat Mumbai 2025. Issues. MAT. Provision for doubtful debts. Interest US 234. Held. Actual right of not hit by SEC 115 JB. No delay in return filing. Result. Assessee allowed on both issues. 196. Neilsoft PVT. Limited vs. PCIT Pune 2. Itat Pune 2025. Issue. Revision US 263 contingent provisions. Held. AO failed to examine tax audit report disclosures. Result. Revision upheld. 197. JC International vs. DCIT. HPHC 2025. Issue. Deduction US 80 IC after substantial expansion. Held. Arham Softronics binding. 100% deduction allowed again. Result. Assessee allowed. 198. Shri Lakshmi Kanta Spinners Limited vs. DCIT. Itat Hyderabad 2025. Issue. Unexplained share capital from 413 persons. Held. No compliance despite repeated opportunities. Result. Addition upheld. 199. Gajendra Mohanty vs. Ito. Itat Katak 2025. Issue. Cash deposits during demonetization. Held. Entire deposits treated as turnover. Profit at the rate 8% US 44 AD. Result. Partial relief granted. 200. Sampurna Seva Charitable Trust vs. Ito. Itat Delhi 2025. Issue. Denial of exemption due to late Form 10B. Held. Form thus be procedural directory. Result. Exemption allowed. 201. Valley Iron Steel Co. Limited vs. PCIT Central I. SC 2025. Issue. Loan treated as unexplained US 68. Held. Genuineness not proved. Sec 41. 1. Not applicable. Result. SLP dismissed. 202. Shri Jigesh Ramjibhai Patel ORS. Versus Ito. Itat Ahmedabad. Issue. Section 68. Alleged bogus LTCG. Held. Shares purchased offline. Later dematerialized. Payments through banking channels. Shares held for 33 months and sold on recognized stock exchange. STT duly paid and complete documentary evidence furnished. AO failed to establish price manipulation. Decision. LTCG genuine. Addition deleted in favor of assessee. 203. Hiren Ramesh Bhai Patel vs. DCIT. Itat Ahmedabad. Issue. Section 56. 2. 7. B. Relinquishment of land rights. Held. No registered sale deed or clear title. Only transfer of right, not ownership. No evidence of possession. Decision. Income taxable as income from other sources. Assessee appeal dismissed. 204. Mahatre Palace CHSL vs. NFC. Itat Mumbai. Issue. Section 80P. 2. D. Interest from cooperative banks. Held. Deduction allowable unless bank is governed by Banking Regulation Act. No adverse finding by AO. Decision. Deduction allowed. Assessee appeal allowed. 205. PCCIT IC vs. AH Multisoft PVT. Ltd. Delhi High Court. Issue. Section 56. 2. WIB. Share valuation. FMV. Held. DCF method permissible under Rule 11 UA. CE valuation disclaimers are standard. AO cannot reject valuation without identifying factual errors. Decision. Itat order upheld. No substantial question of law. 206. Ram Lakhan vs. DCIT. Itat Delhi. Issue. Section 270A. Penalty on estimated income. Held. Addition based on estimation not sustainable. Penalty cannot survive when quantum addition fails. Decision. Penalty quashed. Assessee appeal allowed. 207. Salt Lake Sanskritik Sansad vs. Death. Itat Kolkata. Issue. Section 11 delay in filing Form 10B. Held. Audit report available during processing. Delay is procedural, not fatal. Decision. Exemption allowed. Assessee appeal allowed. 208. Silver Rock Educational Charitable Society versus CIT, SC. Issue. Section 119, 2, B. Condonation of delay. Held. Factual error in HC order noted. Liberty granted to seek review before HC. Decision. SLP dismissed as withdrawn with liberty. 209. Come Core versus Asset, Delhi High Court. Issue. Reopening US 147 post Tola. Held. Notice issued beyond limitation. Tola not applicable. Decision. Reopening quashed. Assessee succeeds. 210. Jaguar Services PVT Limited versus DCIT, Itat Mumbai. Issue. Section 263 revision for bogus purchases. Held. AO had conducted inquiry. PCIT gave contradictory directions. No invocation of explanation 22S.263. Decision. Revision invalid. Assessee appeal allowed. 211. Dalmia Power Limited versus Asset, Supreme Court. Issue. Reopening beyond 4 years. Held. Prima facie evidence of round-tripping. Matter requires deeper probe. Decision. Interim protection granted. Reopening sustained for investigation. 212. Urmilaben H. Dave Trust versus Ito, Itat Ahmedabad. Issue. TDS credit denied. Held. Credit in trustee's name but income of trust. Matter requires factual verification. Decision. Matter remanded to AO. 213. DCIT versus PP Jewelers PVT, Itat Delhi. Issue. Section 153C approval US 153D. Held. No valid jurisdiction assumed. Approval mechanical. Decision. Assessment invalid. Assessee succeeds. 214. Hetal Rakesh Mehta versus Asset, Itat Pune. Issue. Section 153A. No incriminating material. Held. Additions based on third-party statements. No seized material. Decision. Additions deleted. Assessee appeal allowed. 215. Madhusilika PVT Limited versus DCIT, Itat Ahmedabad. Issue. Section 271, 1, C. Defective penalty notice. Held. Charge not specified. Relied on Emerald Meadows Reliance Petro Products. Decision. Penalty quashed. 216. Vipul Chandrakant Savalwade versus Ito, Itat Pune. Issue. Foreign tax credit DTA dividend tax. Held. Form Sarsat directory. DTA rate prevails over Act. Decision. FTC allowed. Dividend taxable at the rate 25%. 217. Abhilasha Impex PVT Limited versus Ito, Itat Delhi. Issue. Section 68 cash deposits from sales. Held. Sales and purchases accepted. Books not rejected. Decision. Addition deleted. 218. Budh Kumwar versus Ito, Itat Jaipur. Issue. Reopening alleged undisclosed commission. Held. Income already disclosed. AO failed to examine deductions. Decision. Matter remanded. Assessee succeeds. 219. Acid versus Ardent Steel Ltd. Supreme Court. Issue. Limitation for reopening. Held. SLP filed with 327 days delay. Decision. SLP dismissed on delay. 220. Shri Smasta Gurjar Kshatriya Kadiya Samaj versus CIT, E. Itat Ahmedabad. Issue. Section 80G. Religious object. Held. Mere presence of religious object not fatal. Expenditure 5% requires verification. Decision. Matter remanded. 221. Kosham Charitable Trust versus CPC, Itat Ahmedabad. Issue. Section 11 non-filing of Form 10B. Held. Procedural lapse. Decision. Exemption allowed. 222. Chitra Uttam Khare versus Ito, Itat Pune. Issue. Appeal dismissed for non-prosecution. Held. CPC already rectified order. CIT A. Ignored material fact. Decision. CIT A. Order set aside. 223. Sahyog Nagri Sahakari Patsanstha versus Ito, Itat Pune. Issue. Section 249, 4, B. Appeal admission. Held. No advance tax payable. Appeal wrongly dismissed. Decision. Matter remanded to CIT A. 224. Vikas Bhagoji Shinde versus Ito, Itat Pune. Issue. Section 56, 7, B. Property purchase. Held. Total consideration exceeded stamp value. No transfer but possession. Decision. Additions deleted. 225. Teacher Retirement System of Texas versus Asset, Itat Mumbai. Issue. set off of STCL. Held. STCL can be set off against any STCG. No STT-based classification in SEC. 70. Decision. Set off allowed. 226. Timirbaran Moundar versus DCIT, Itat Kolkata. Issue. Foreign tax credit. Form 67 delay. Held. Form 67 directory. DTA Overrides Act. Decision. FTC allowed. 227. DCIT, Central Circle 8, 1. Mumbai versus Janam Investments, Itat Mumbai 125. Issue. Addition US 68, alleged penny stock transactions. Held. Assessee did not claim any STCG LTCG from alleged penny stocks. Investigation Wing SEBI reports did not name the assessee. Documentary evidences, DMAT, contract notes, ledger, were not rejected nor disproved. Mere price movement or dealing in suspicious scripts cannot justify addition. Decision. Addition deleted in favor of assessee. 228. PCIT versus Techno Tracom PVT, Ltd. SC Order 2025. Issue. Revision US 263, unexplained cash credit US 68. Held. PCIT can consider search material forming part of assessment records. AO had already examined records in proceedings US 153A. No adverse inference was drawn in original assessment. SLP filed with 646 days unexplained delay. Decision. SLP dismissed, relief to assessee upheld. 229. Sai Baba Bhakta Mandal versus CIT, E. Pune, Itat Pune 2025. Issue. Denial of registration US 12 approval US ATG. Held. Application rejected due to non-response to second notice. Adjournment request not considered. Principles of natural justice violated. Decision. Matter remanded. One final opportunity to assessee. 230. Sweta Sonthalia versus Ito, Kolkata, Itat Kolkata 2025. Issue. Exemption US 54 EC, investment beyond 50 lakh rupees. Held. 50 lakh rupees each invested in NHI and Reg bonds within 6 months. First proviso to SEC. 54 EC restricts per financial year, not per transaction. Supported by HC rulings, Madras, Karnataka. Decision. Exemption allowed, appeal allowed. 231. Anam Pesticides PVT, Limited versus Ito, Ahmedabad, Itat Ahmedabad 2025. Issue. Estimation of income, bogus purchases. Held. CIT, A. Applied 12% NP rate without justification. Sales not disputed, purchases unverifiable bogus. Judicial precedents not properly considered. Decision. Matter remanded for fresh adjudication. 232. Music Broadcast Limited versus Asset, Itat Mumbai 2025. Issue. Short grant of TDS credit. Held. Claim requires factual verification. AO must examine evidence and grant opportunity. Decision. Matter remanded to AO. 230. Goyal Pawan Kumar family, HUF, versus Ito, Delhi, Itat Delhi 2025. Issue. Disallowance of bogus purchases. Held. Only profit element can be taxed. GP already declared at 2.5%. Reasonable GP estimated at 12.5%. Decision. Differential addition of 10% sustained. 234. GJ Trust versus Ito, Mumbai, Itat Mumbai 2025. Issue. Surcharge on income of private discretionary trust. Held. MMR applicable, but surcharge as per slab rate, not 70%. Followed special bench decision in Aradhya Jain Trust. Decision. Appeal allowed in favor of assessee. 235. Bengal Education Foundation versus Ito, Itat Kolkata 2025. Issue. Denial of exemption US 11 for late filing of Form 10B. Held. Filing Form 10B is procedural and directory. Filed during assessment proceedings. Exemption cannot be denied on technical grounds. Decision. Exemption allowed. 236. Ito versus Renu Gupta, Itat Delhi 2025. Issue. Denial of LTCG exemption US thus, Artis. Held. Assessee discharged initial onus with documentary evidence. AO failed to rebut evidences. Followed Delhi HC ruling in Krishna Devi. Decision. Addition deleted. Revenue appeal dismissed. 237. HCL Comnet System Services Limited versus DCIT, Itat Delhi 2025. Issue 1. Additional grounds not adjudicated by CIT, A. Held. Matter remanded for fresh consideration. Issue 2. Tax computation despite assessed loss. Held. Tax demand invalid. Decision. Grounds allowed, partly statistical. 238. Pankaj Gupta versus PCCIT, Odisha, SC Order 2025. Issue. Unexplained money US 69A, demonetization deposits. Held. Explanation offered was unsatisfactory. Nature and source of cash not proved. Decision. SLP dismissed. Addition sustained. 239. Fakhruddin T. Malik vs. Ito, Mumbai, Itat Mumbai 2025. Issue. Addition US 56, 2, 7, B, 2, stamp duty value. Held. Assessee requested DVO reference. Conditions of SEC. 50C, 2, satisfied. AO erred in not referring to DVO. Decision. Matter remanded for fresh valuation. 240. Sunil Amalal Bajaj vs. Ito, Itat Mumbai 2025. Issue. Addition US 56, 2, Kiss Smiley, stamp duty versus consideration. Held. Part consideration paid before agreement date. Assessee eligible for first, second proviso benefit. Decision. Addition deleted. 241. The Puri Commercial Cooperative Society vs. Ito, Odisha HC 2025. Issue. Refund of demand recovered during pendency of appeal. Held. Once reassessment set aside, refund is mandatory. Interest at the rate 6% PA payable for delay. Decision. Refund directed within 7 days. 242. Body Gear International PVT. Limited versus Asset, Itat Cochin 2025. Issue. Deduction US 10B. Claim through revised return. Held. Revised return substitution of original return. Filing audit report before assessment completion is sufficient. Supported by SC ruling in GM Knitting Industries. Decision. Matter remanded. Deduction allowable subject to verification. 243. Divine Kanjir Mathil Ignatius vs. Ito, Itat Cochin, 2025. Issue. Addition US 69 based on incorrect AIR property value. Held. Subregistrar wrongly uploaded property value due to an extra digit. Matter restored to AO for verification of actual purchase value. All connected additions, shares, mutual funds, credit cards, also restored. Result. Appeal allowed for statistical purposes. 244. BHL Forex and Finlease Limited vs. DCIT, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue. Penalty US 271, 1, C, where losses not carried forward. Held. Reduction of voluntarily foregone losses has no tax impact. No concealment or furnishing of inaccurate particulars. Result. Penalty deleted. Appeal allowed. 245. Owens Corning, Singapore, PTA Limited vs. DCIT, Itat Mumbai, 2025. Issue. Taxability of fabrication charges as FTS under India, Singapore DTA. Held. Services did not make available technical knowledge. Article 12, 3, 4, not applicable. Result. Addition deleted. Decided in favor of assessee. 246. DCIT vs. Como Info Solutions PVT, Ltd, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue. Addition US 68 unaccounted commission in accommodation entry cases. Held. Once beneficiaries and entry providers identified, addition cannot be made in conduit company. Commission already taxed in hands of individuals. Result. Revenue appeal dismissed. 247. Anuradha A. Karnik vs. TRO ORS, SC, 2025. Issue. Stay on sale of jointly owned attached property. Held. HC order upheld subject to 50% deposit. Property cannot be sold or encumbered meanwhile. Result. SLP dismissed. 248. Ito vs. Sweetie Gems PVT, Lt, Itat Surat, 2025. Issue. Addition US 69 are on bank credits. Held. Sales already accepted. Further addition amounts to double taxation. Revenue failed to rebut business activity. Result. Revenue appeal dismissed. 249. Shri Mahavidya Charitable Trust ORS vs. CIT, E, Itat Surat, 2025. Issue. Rejection of Form 10 UB ATG registration. Held. Mere religious words and objects not decisive. Matter restored to verify whether religious expenditure exceeds 5%. Result. Allowed for statistical purposes. 250. Malay Shailesh Bhai Patel vs. Ito, Itat Ahmedabad, 2025. Issue. Rectification US 254, 2. Held. Rectification power does not include review or reconsideration. No mistake apparent on record. Result. Miscellaneous application dismissed. 251. Asset vs. Park Place Condominium Association, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue. Taxability of interest income of RWA. Held. Interest income not taxable in hands of RWA, following earlier precedent. Result. Decided against revenue. 252. East Spring Investments India Equity Open Limited vs. DCIT, Itat Mumbai, 2025. Issue. Set-off of STCL, STT paid, against STCG, STT not paid. Held. Section 70, 2, allows set-off without STT distinction. AO wrongly double-counted income. Result, assessee appeal allowed. 253, Government of India, IT debt versus Mohammed K, ORS, SC, 2025. Issue, release of seized cash. Held. Once bank guarantee and bond furnished, release justified. Result, SLP dismissed. 254, Ito versus Himanshu Ramniklal Shah, SC, 2025. Issue, validity of reopening, change of opinion. Held. Reopening based on same material is invalid. Delay of 308 days unexplained. Result, SLP dismissed on delay and merits. 255, DCIT versus Sunpoint Trading Ltd, Itat Ahmedabad, 2025. Issue, addition US 69, alleged fresh loan. Held. Transaction proved as repayment of old loan. Supported by bank records and Form 26 as. Result, addition deleted, assessee appeal allowed. 256, Global Tradex Limited versus Asset, Itat Mumbai, 2025. Issue, reopening disallowance of interest US 57. Held. Adjustment is tax neutral. Supreme Court ruling relied upon by revenue distinguishable. Result, addition deleted. 257, Bhadresh Labshankar Joshi versus DCIT, Itat Mumbai, 2025. Issue, addition US 50C, year of taxability. Held. Capital gain taxable in year of execution, not registration. Result, addition deleted. 258, Pankaj Narang versus AO, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue, dismissal of appeal due to limitation. Held. Matter restored to CIT, A, with direction to consider condonation leniently. Result, allowed for statistical purposes. 259, DCIT versus Murex Southeast Asia PVT, Ltd, Itat Mumbai, 2025. Issue, FTS under India, Singapore DTA. Held. Maintenance and training services do not make available technology. Result, not taxable in India. 260, Yogesh Shivaji Shinde versus Ito, Itat Pune, 2025. Issue, penalty US 271, 1, C, in reassessment. Held. Tax and interest paid before notice US 148. Disclosure voluntary in substance. Result, penalty deleted. 261, Amit Kanhaiyalal Gidwani ORS versus Asset, Itat Pune, 2025. Issue, addition US 68, unsecured loans. Held. Identity, creditworthiness and genuineness established. Regular transactions and assessments support assessee. Result, addition deleted. 262, Samajik Prerna Evam Gramin Vikas Sansthan versus CIT, E, Itat Jaipur, 2025. Issue, rejection of 12 ATG registration. Held. One more opportunity warranted. Matter restored for fresh verification. Result, allowed for statistical purposes. 263, Sunil Gaur versus Ito, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue, reopening beyond limitation. Held. Digitally signed notice date relevant. Escaped income below 50 rupees lakh. Jurisdictional defect, Rongao. Result, notice quashed. 264, Sarin's Heavy Lift India PVT, Limited versus Asset, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue, penalty US to 71 R for non-reporting in Form 3 CB. Held. No TP adjustment made. Bona fide omission. Result, penalty deleted. 265, Lalit Gulati versus Asset, Delhi HC 2025. Issue, reopening beyond limitation post Tola. Held. Tola not applicable. Notice barred by limitation. Result, notice quashed. 266, Satyajit Praveen Singh Kumpawat versus Ito, Itat Ahmedabad, 2025. Issue, estimation of agricultural expenses. Held. Restricting expenses to 15% reasonable. Sale receipts undisputed. Result, assessee appeal dismissed. 267, Rajendra Kumar Chanalal Shah versus Ito, Itat Ahmedabad, 2025. Issue, estimation of income, alleged bogus purchases. Held. Primary evidence and audited books produced. Addition merely for non-response of third parties unsustainable. Result, addition deleted, appeal allowed. 268, Godaddy.com LLC versus Asset, Circlental, Tax, 131, Delhi, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue, Taxability in India of income earned from domain registration and non-domain services, web hosting, web designing, SSL, on-demand products, and eligibility of DTA benefits under India USA DTA. Held. Tribunal reiterated the distinction between liability to taxation and actual payment of tax. The assessee qualifies as a resident under Article 4 of India USA DTA and is entitled to DTA benefits. Domain name registration services. Not taxable as royalty under Section 9, 1, 6 or Article 12, 3 of the India USA DTA following assessee's own case. Non-domain services, web hosting, web designing, SSL, etc. do not make available any technical knowledge, skill or process. Hence, consideration does not qualify as FIS FTS under Article 12, 4, B of the DTA. Decision. Appeal allowed in favor of the assessee. 269. Shri Kannan Damodaran, L.R. of Shri S. Damodaran versus Asset, Central Circle 1, Coimbatore, Itat Chennai, 2025. Issue. Validity of assessment framed under Section 153C instead of Section 153A and addition based solely on statement recorded US 132-4. Held. Documents were seized from assessee's own premises, hence proceedings should have been initiated under Section 153A, not 153C. Assessment framed under Section 153C is bad in law. Additions were based only on statement US 132-4 with no corroborative evidence. AO cannot accept part of the statement and reject the rest. Ownership of properties was under dispute before courts, weakening the basis of additions. Decision. Entire assessment quashed. Appeal allowed in favor of assessee. 270. Kandasamy Kuppusamy versus Ito, Ward 2, 1, E Road, Itat Chennai, 2025. Issues. Unexplained cash deposits. Applicability of Section 115 BB. Held. There was arithmetical inconsistency in computation of unexplained cash deposits. Tribunal granted additional relief of 5 lakhs rupees in the interest of justice. Final addition restricted to 15 lakhs rupees. Section 115 BB applicable only from 1st April 2017. Since transactions pertained to FY 2016 to 17, Section 115 BB not applicable. Decision. Appeal partly allowed, AO directed to recompute income without applying Section 115 BB. 271.